with the recent development of the Union Home Minister's decision to ensure the free movement of all the population of the state in every highways and roads of the state by 8th of March has been acknowledged by sections of many sections of the society, and people are very optimistic on the decisions and declaration of the Union Home Minister. However, with utter surprise to the people of Manipur, yesterday the Committee on Tribal Unities has strongly and openly challenged against the decisions of the Union Home Minister and the Government of India by saying that before meeting any demand of their before meeting any of their demand, the condition for peace is non-negotiable. They have been saying this openly and challenging the initiative of the Union Home Minister, and we feel that COTU has completely gone against the idea of the fundamental rights ensured by the Constitution of India, and we have been expecting the Government of India to take some legal action, to take some initiative against those elements who are against peace. On the other side, we have been witnessing, as per the appeals made by the Honorable Governor of the state, we have been witnessing the series of surrendering of arms to the government till date. However, we are very surprised to learn that the suspension of operation armed groups has not been taken on board in the process of this armed surrenders activities. We have been expecting, because they are the one who are the key drivers of this conflict. They are at the forefront of this conflict. They are the one who have been, attacking and killing of so many innocent villagers and innocent lives. However, the process of recovering of arms from the valley has been continuously and rigorously being carried out by the state and central forces, but very little has been seen from the hill areas. So looking into this situation and the reports of certain armed groups who belong to the suspension of operation groups who have been caught red-handed by the Senapati District Students Association in recent past, where they have been escorted by Indian security forces in late night in Senapati district, who are being apprehended by the Senapati district students volunteers, and it has proved that the Indian Army and the Indian security forces are still maintaining a proxy or kind of discrete alliance with those groups who are responsible for driving this conflict in Manipur. Therefore, looking into these two aspects, COCOMI feels that it is not the right time to completely rely on the state government's initiative to recover arms. We also want the arms from the hills, particularly from those suspension of operation armed groups, to be recovered and publicly show it to the people and draw some confidence that no further attacks is going to happen from the hillside. In this process, we have been appealing to all the concerned authorities that surrendering of arms is welcome. However, assurance from the government that no further attacks will be carried out, and all those vulnerable villages who have already surrendered their arms should also be reciprocated by the same process from the hills, which is very little in our knowledge. On the other side, we also want to raise one more issue, that the Union Home Minister's assurance in the past has also been never materialized. Therefore, there is a very little optimism on the side of the Union Home Minister's assurance. However, we are eagerly waiting for the 8th of March, where we are expecting that the Union Home Minister is going to do some concrete steps which will help in the initiative to restore peace and law and order in the state of Manipur. But considering the open defiance of the Committee of Tribal Unity and several other groups that belongs to the separatist groups. There is no legal action initiated as of now, and we want the government to take initiative, legal action against those groups who are against peace, and we want them to be held accountable. Therefore, it will also help in building confidence among the people that whatever the Union Home Ministers and the Government of India is trying to do is to restore, absolute peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur.